Hey, welcome to Planet Mark, and today in our Saturday morning ukulele lessons I'll be teaching you the brand new song Two of Us by Tomlinson, formerly from One Direction. I'll be going through all of the chords, breaking them down, telling you how to play it, strumming pattern, every little bit that you need to know how to play this song by the end of this tutorial. So before we get started, make sure that you subscribe to Planet Mark and hit that bell notification to be told of the next great upload. Let's take a quick sneak peek what it should sound like by the end of this video. So I will keep you day and night here until the day I die. I'll be living one life for the two of us. I'll be the best of me, always keep you next to me. I'll be living one life for the two of us. I will never be alone, even when I'm on my own. Tattooed on my heart is the words of your favorite song. You'll be looking down on me, I swear I'll make you proud of me. I'll be living one life for the two of us. The only chords that you're going to need, it's really easy. The chords that you'll need are F, C, G, A minor, E minor. And that is it. So if you already know how to play those chords, then skip right ahead. Or if you don't, or just want a quick reminder, I'll be going through them right now. So firstly, our F chord is open on the first, second string, first fret, third string open, and fourth string, second fret. Our C chord is the easiest one to play. That's the first string, third fret, and open on the other three strings. Our G chord, if you play guitar, you'll know that it looks very similar to a D chord, but our G on our ukulele is first string, second fret, second string, third fret, third string, second fret, and open on the fourth. Our A minor chord is fourth string, second fret, and open on all the other strings. And our E minor, probably the hardest one to play today, is first string, second fret, second string, third fret, third string, fourth fret, and open on the fourth. Okay, so the chord progression for pretty much this entire song, apart from a few different variations, which I will go through, are F, C, G, A minor to E minor. That's kind of like half, so a bar of F, a bar of C, a bar of G, then a half a bar of A minor, then E minor. So and that is pretty much it for that's the main, that's like the core. But if you just wanted to play that the whole way through, then it wouldn't sound bad, it wouldn't sound, you know, it wouldn't sound great, but that's technically all the chords that you would need. It's just going through the other bits that we will in a minute. So basically the basic chord strumming pattern for the chorus is, for the F is just down, 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 up. Same for the C, down, 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 up. And the G, then it's down, down, up for the A minor, and down, down, up for the E minor. So all together now is F, down, down, up, C, down, down, up, G, down, down, up, A minor, E minor. So the first bit is F, C, G. And then forget the A minor and the E minor for the first chords, because it sounds like it's been a minute since I called you, just to hear the answer phone. And I know that you won't hear me, but it's clear that I'm not alone. Well, something on those lines, yeah. So it's just for the first bit, like, because he leaves like quite gaps. So F, C, G, hold. F, C, G, A minor, E minor. So it's just like missing out the A minor and the E minor, just for dramatic pause. Then it plays through like a normal, like 2 bars, Then we go to the other day I woke up dreaming, da-da-da, still fill my head. You'll never know how much I miss you. The day they took you away, I wish it was me instead. That's the bit just before the pre-chorus that they miss out the A minor and then the E minor. You miss that bit out just before the pre-chorus. Again, that's quite a sad song for the trying to build tension. Then the pre-chorus, that's when we're going to start kicking in that down, 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 down. And then we go to then we finally come into the chorus. We're still playing that same pattern. So I will keep you day and night here until the day I die. I'll be living one life for the two of us. I won't keep you next to me, maybe the best of me. I'll be living one life for the two of us. And that bit like one life for the two of us. That second time we go around, I want you to again don't play that A minor and E minor. Again, dramatic pause. It does that quite a lot in those specific bits. And then we come into it full. Maybe the first couple of bits like you want to be playing it a little bit softer. But now we go into full pelt and you can start belting this one out. Even when I'm on my own, I know I won't be alone. Tattooed on my heart all the words of your favorite song. You'll be looking down on me, so you'll make me proud of me. I'll be living one life for the two of us. So the chorus goes, so I will keep you day and night here until the day I die. I'll be living one life for the two of us. I'll be the best of me, always keep you next to me. I'll be living one life for the two of us. I will never be alone, even when I'm on my own. Tattooed on my heart is the words of your favorite song. You'll be looking down on me, I swear I'll make you proud of me. I'll be living one life for the two of us. And there's one more bit which is there's a bridge bit which is F, C, F, G, F, C, G. So I promised you I'd do this, C. So all of this is for you, G. Swear to God you're living. So all of this is for you. Something along those lines. So F, C, F, G, F, C, G. So that's pretty much it for this entire lesson. I really hope you've enjoyed it and you've learnt this tab really easily. So like, if you have, then remember we also have a Patreon. So all of, like, if you have a specific song that you want out at the moment, we got loads of stuff in the charts. But there is if there's a specific song, any song, then let me know. If you support us on Patreon, then I'll do your song and I'll even give you a shout out for our supporters. So remember to subscribe to Plant Mark and hit that bell notification to be told of the next great upload. Like and share this video. Follow us on Twitter at PlantMarkVlog or Facebook.com/PlantMarkVlog. See you next one, guys. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.